Hey YouTubers out there, as part of my business model, I'm not only going to be teaching relevant business and technology and programming classes, I'm going to show you how I create the content and make money online as well. So there's kind of three pillars: is business, technology, and content creation. So that being said, take a look at my setup. I have a light that looks like it belongs in a garage. I have a green screen. I have a lamp. I have a laptop, and if you see on top of my laptop, I know you probably can't see the words, but I have a mouse in my hand with the mouse wheel. Guess what that is? That's my teleprompter. So on laptop number 2, which I'll see if I can get a better view for you, is behind this laptop, and it's my teleprompter. You can see it from the side. It's got the words on it, right? So I'm recording myself and kind of looking at the teleprompter at the same time. You've got to be careful though. You can't look at the teleprompter because the camera will notice. So in this particular course that I'm putting together, I actually wrote down a script for once because I actually did a lot of research on this, wrote the script down, and because I know the content pretty well from doing the research, I don't really need to use the script much. So it's just a reminder. But as I'm scrolling the mouse wheel, which you can't see my right hand, right? So you can't see my right hand. As I'm scrolling the mouse wheel, I can stop, start, go as fast or as slow as I want. So this is my setup, and it's really cheap, you know, nothing but a few things that you might even have at the house already. And I'm using Final Cut Pro, and look at the quality of this green screen. I mean, with this crappy light that I have, it's good. And then you use the software, and boom, you chroma keyed in. So this is the start of me recording myself. Hope you enjoy my channel, and I will see you on the other side.